demo of boost mode. We are going to show the setup in order to set the system for boost mode if and when it's time for a breeding session. We'll need to go to the main menu. We will scroll down to boost starting hours. It's set up for 10 hours. That's adjustable between 6 hours and as much as 15 hours. So we're going to start with a reasonable amount of time, 10 hours. Boost ending hours, 15 hours, that's an acceptable value. And boost for the number of days, how many days to get from 10 hours to 15 hours. Default value is 80. Let's make it 66. Let's make it 63. And with the values that we entered, this is what you can expect for sunrise and sunset changes on a daily basis. Sunrise will be delayed 1 minute and 35 seconds in the morning. Sunset will be delayed 3 minutes and 10 seconds in the evening. When you are ready to start the boost mode, you will select it. It tells you that you're about to start the advanced sunrise and the late sunset. Boost mode is currently off. You would press the up arrow to turn it on. Press the enter key to select it. And now we have an option. The home key allows you to abort. The right arrow says to go ahead. We want to commit to doing it, so let's go ahead and do it. I'm going to press go, and the system wants to know is what time is the first sunrise. So right now the first sunrise is due to occur at 5:30 in the morning. Let's change it to 6 o'clock so we can keep track of it as we do a couple of okay, so 6:03, whatever it was. Reminds you again of the delays that you're going to see. 1 minute and 35 seconds earlier every morning, 3 minutes and 10 seconds later every night. Press the home key, and there it is. Sunrise starts at 6:03 a.m. Sunset is at 16:03, which is 4:03 in the afternoon. Boost mode is on. We are on day 0 of 63 days. Daylight today is 10 hours, the minimum number of hours that we specified. Let's see what happens. Remember 6:03 and 16:03. Let's see what happens when we go through the first midnight. As you can see, sunrise the next day will be at 6:01. Sunset will be at 16:06. We are on day 1. Come on. Day 1 of 63 days. Daylight today is 10 hours and 5 minutes. And again, we can keep doing this until we get to the magical number of 63. And once we get to the magical number of 63, which we're not going to do, the system reverts to manual mode, and it remains in manual mode until you change it again. That's how simple it is to set up the boost mode. Once it's started, it runs through the parameters that you put in for the number of days. Once you reach the number of days, the system reverts back to manual mode and it stays that way. That's the end of that discussion.